Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach about the online passive earning method. This is a very good method in 2025, which is a stock photography. In stock photography, Adobe Stock is the number one stock photography agency. If you are going to go to the Adobe company, if you look at the Adobe company, there are plenty of popular Adobe products are there. You can go through here. This is the Photoshop. It's brought by Adobe company. Another one is a vector-based software, which is Adobe Illustrator, which is brought by Adobe company, and Adobe Acrobat Reader. These all are brought by Adobe company. This is a very prestigious company in the world. This company offer stock photography. Okay, so if you go through the Adobe Stock, you can go to the respective website. You can have a there are plenty of photographies are there. You will be able to download the photo. In our country, they may download or not. In the European countries, there are most of the peoples are downloaded these photos, and they're going to frame the photos at home. Those are the things you can see. These are images. These kind of images we can make money online. So how to do this? Simply, you can go and having a research, go to the image, click on this image tab. So you have to put just cat. Okay, you click on this. Now you can see there are plenty of cat photos are there, right? So these cat photos, you have think about how to get the photo of these cats. Okay, it is simple. In earlier day, we have to go to the natural cat and take the camera and in front of the cat and take the photography. Nowadays the technology will be grown day by day. So now you can have another option called AI images. So here you can go to the filter. Now you can see the filter option. You can see the photos here. Instead of click by all, only I'm going to select the option generate AI. Now if you click on generate AI mode, you can have there are many cats which will generate by AI. You can identify by this label. This is AI. This all the images which will be created by AI label. This all the images we are created by AI label. When you implement the AI images into Adobe Stock, you have to add this label along with this image. Then the image become a AI images. So this we have uploaded the image. This image is it look like seems to be as a natural look. You will be able to see the images seems to be natural look. So the same images, the same kind of images, we will be able to implement that using the AI tools. There are plenty of AI tools in the world. There are plenty of AI image generator tools in the world. The very famous AI tool, which is a Midjourney. This is a number one place in Midjourney. You can purchase the Midjourney subscription, and you can generate the image upon upon on your prompt. What is the prompt you have to generate? You have to think something else. Okay, you imagine something, some story, and write on it, and you can create the image, and you have to upload them, and you can earn money on that. Okay, this is only cat photo. Whatever photo you can here, you have to type here. It's a business people, but it seems to be businessmen. It seems to be a natural look, but it's not a natural picture. This is pictures also are generated by AI. This all pictures are generated by AI. This person are not a real person. It's a AI generated by AI, but it's look like a natural person. So this kind of images you will be able to generate by AI. Okay, very simple. After generated the AI images, you have to go to the submit Adobe Stock. So here you have to join as a contributor. You have to create you can create a contributor account, and you can contributor account. After you have to create the contributor account successfully, now after that you have to upload the images. Here I have uploaded the images. and am I'm earning the money. Okay, so here, uh, and at the last time I have uploaded last July or something. I have these are the assets in my photo portfolio. I have a, 1,600 asset in my portfolio in my Adobe Stock assets. So I am still earning money. Okay, so okay, this is the passive income. Do one time, earn lifetime. This is the strategy of the online presence. Okay, so that you have to try it. Okay, so the one day by day, you have to, at least you have to upload one or two images. End of the month, you can see how many images you have uploaded. If you have uploaded 100 images, 100. If you are continuously uploaded images for 2 or 3 years, your PC passive income is day by increase. One day you can achieve $300 per month. $300 means this is a passive income you are earning $300. Okay, that's how you have to increase your earning day by day. This is a good side, very good side. Okay, these are the images I have uploaded. You can see my, I have already withdrawal. This is my withdrawal proof as well. I have shown the withdrawal. So this is the withdrawal. Last time I have withdrawn in 2000 February 23rd. I have received my last payment. After that, once we reached $25, we can release our payment to our bank account, right? So the I'm not getting the payment each and every month because I'm not working in this website regularly. Okay, I already uh, told that I have uploaded the last time last July. After that, I am not uploading any portfolio. Okay, you have to work because I have so busy with another work, so that I don't have a time to upload this. So you have to try on it. So first, before we have to upload and get the images, first you have to go through here. How many there are, what is the imagination in your mind? What kind of a photo you are going to upload? The previous your competitors mean that kind of images the Adobe Stock previous stock photographers I uploaded or not. All things you can research by here. The businessman and forest, some of the forest scenes, those kind of images the already uploaded or not. So that kind of photos the people are like or not here. The forest images, these are the result. You can see here. Okay, this forest image only AI generated. Here you can see the portfolio. Here this all are AI generated images. This kind of portfolio there. You can see that there are different portfolio here. The AI images day by day, they are increasing. Whatever comes to the mind, they are imagine and they are uploading. Here, it is look like a natural scenes, but it is not natural one. It is generated by AI, right? So we can easily can identify the AI or not, because here if you just move the cursor on the image on your bottom left bottom, there will be they are labeled it as AI. Now you easily recognize this image is made by AI. Okay. I hope you guys you understood the things well. Uh, you have to work on this. This is the very best side. I wish you all the best.